Damn, that GTR is fire, bro. Damn, this place is packed. What's wrong, David? It's cold on. We just made it to a car meet, guys. We're at Irwindale Speedway today. We got the drag strip, we got a donut pit, and we got a two-step battle tonight too. Okay. Look, Jimmy's here. What happened, Jimmy? You gonna keep up?
Yeah, dude. Freaking the carpool.
You should have brought the Z06.
I know, you're right.
We ditched Jimmy on the way over here, but yeah, we made it, guys. The GTR is super clean. David washed it for me on the way. Well, before we got here, David washed it super clean. It looks hella clean. That Essential Dave touch, huh? Hit up Essential Auto Spa if you guys need a wash. Guys, look at this GTR. Oh my god, bro. This tire is fat. My boy told me that I inspired him to build it a little similar to mine. Loki, this looks better than mine, bro. He's crazy. This shit looks beautiful. Look at this, guys. The music's so loud, but this shit is crazy. Mine doesn't look like that, bro. Yours looks way crazier than mine. Huh?
1,000 horsepower, bro.
1,000?
Yeah.
Must be nice. Nah, but this thing is beautiful, guys. Look at that. The wheel setup is perfect. This music is way too loud, though. Guys, look at this Lambo. Look at this parking spot. He's got lights all around his car. Now that's fire though, with the lights at the bottom. There's so many GTRs here. It's crazy. Look at this car, guys. I've seen this one in the vlog plenty of times, but the red is just so fire. I want to wrap my GTR red again. The G80? Look at this, guys. Damn, this shit is beautiful. R34 with a big old turbo. Look at that. This shit is sick, dude. This is like my favorite R34, guys. With the wheels. And it sounds crazy. Oh! Bro, that shit is crazy. If hell no, if I feel so crazy in the car, bro.
Get in.
I'm scared. I'm scared, bro. I want to go for a drive though with you. That'll be tight. I'm down. What do you guys think about this gold Lambo? Man, that shit is shiny, bro. I can't even pick up on camera. What do you guys think, Shy? Gold wrapped GTR? How crazy would that be, bro? I bet you this thing gets so much attention. Lambos alone get a lot of attention, but imagine a gold one. But this shit has hella swirls on it. It's probably hard to take care of this wrap, to be honest. It's like a mirror. Josh's car. Loud ass Lambo. Probably the loudest Lambo there is. This shit's too quiet, bro.
You think so?
I'm just kidding. Look at this GTR. There's a bunch of GTRs, but this is all camo and it has like guns on the roof, bro. I've never seen this before. This has to be the first ever GTR with some guns on the roof. It's crazy though, wide body, with the big old wing, camo, wrapped, and then the guns. You think they work? I'll take the red one, bro. And a fire ass Urus. That's what I need. That's what we all need. I'll trade my GTR ASAP for this. And all the homies can fit in it. That's the wave. That's what we need, bro. Guys, what are they doing? Look. My homie Markel's gonna jump over the E30, I think, bro. You about to do it?
I'm about to hop. Bro, come on, you already know it.
What's up, bro? How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
I'm here to film it, bro. Who remembers when I used to go BMX riding with the homie Hicks? We actually used to ride with him and Hicks all the time, but yeah, this is wild. He's about to jump the car, bro. Here he comes. Ooh, easy, bro. Ah, they got that shit easy. Bro, I swear I'll put my GTR right there. These fools are crazy, just 180'd it. Oh my, guys, that's a big drop. Like, I don't think you guys understand. He's gapping the entire car and some, and he just 180'd it. Oh, so clean, bro. That was fire.
Yeah, put the GTR there.
I swear I'll put the GTR right there, bro.
Put your bike on the GTR.
I see the merge, bro.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, guys? How are you? What's up, man? Look, she got the merge. That's crazy. That's some OG merch right there, guys. That was crazy, guys. I don't know if you guys see how hard that is, but my boy just 360 that. That's crazy. I could never do that. Maybe hopping. I could probably hop it, maybe. But that's scary. Not right now. Maybe like back then when I used to be a man. Why are there so many red cars, guys? Everything's red. Like red NSX, which is fire. Red Supra, which is even more fire. And then a red RX-7, which is even more fire. This shit is beautiful, bro. God damn, it's literally perfect. That one's crazy too. I want to hear them, but anyways, we're about to go see some drifting, guys. They're going crazy over here. Some GTRs, some Peters, Supra right now. Feels like Gustavo. Damn, I'm really drifting the Supra. I don't know if you guys remember, but who remembers when I went in here with the E46? That shit was scary. There's so many people watching, bro. Man, this shit is poppy, bro. Damn. This shit sounds crazy. That's crazy, bro. Bro, that shit sounds crazy. That shit sounds crazy. With the exit? Oh, this shit shooting crazy flames. Sick ass food. Okay, my girl? This is my homie Ken, bro. My boy's crazy, watch. And it's a clean ass bed, too. Swinging it.
Swing that shit, nigga!
Nico?
Oh, damn!
Alright guys, it's about to be hella loud, I bet. Everyone's about to do the two-step right now. This is when they all compete to see who's the loudest. I wonder who's gonna win, bro. We got Josh in here. Come on, Josh. God. Oh, I don't know if Josh can keep up with that, bro. My boy got the green flames too. Oh my God, bro. Personally, that's my favorite sound. Damn, that's crazy. Probably the most expensive one out here. Bro, that shit on fire. My boy's on fire, bro. Little E46. Okay. My boy got a center exit on the 370. God damn! Bro. That's crazy. Bro, these Mustangs are crazy, bro. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the engine. God damn, bro. I don't know which one's crazier. They're both sick. This thing is crazy, guys. Watch. The GTR is sick, huh?
Bro, I want it.
I want that too, bro. Look at it. God damn. Why doesn't mine do that, bro?
You got the fake one.
I got the fake GTR or something, huh?
They got the baby flames. I do.
What?
God damn, bro. Those are bombs, bro. You Shit about the AMG in there.
What the fuck, nigga? That don't shoot flames? Oh shit, I'm about to fall. I hate when there's like a delay. What the fuck? I'm getting scared.
Nico's scared. Bow, bow.
Oh, I thought it was gonna... Yeah, that right there. I don't like
Why are you
that.
scared, bro? My boy got green wheels.
That shit ugly. It's so ugly.
I didn't say it.
Sorry if you're watching this, but change the wheels, change the wrap, bro. Got you. The Z, bro. That's not.
Change the whole car.
Change the. Oh, okay. That's disrespectful. Damn. I didn't say,
honest.
I didn't say that. I just said change the.
Hey, I have a 350Z, bro. Come on, bro.
Hey, yours is different though. You know what I mean?
Honestly, I can't tell you. I like that better than the Z. Does he watch the vlogs?
Yeah, bro.
Shazzy!
Do it again, do it again.
Yeah!
That shit is hella loud, guys.
Yeah, I'm watching it. Okay, okay. Yeah.
Bro, why are you so happy? God damn. Bro, that shit burned.
Again!
Bro, no, wait. Bro, the whole muffler came off and then it caught fire.
I missed it. I didn't get that part.
Bro, the whole bumper's burnt, bro.
Oh man, that car's not worth 400K anymore. That's worth like 50.
Buy it. How much on offer?
The whole exhaust came off.
Mexican.
Not the R34. I think you give it to the GTR, guys. He almost caught his car on fire.
Bro, the GTR could have had the biggest flame, but you fucked it up.
He could have the whole car on fire. This is crazy, guys. It literally looks like Need for Speed. My GTR is right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, this is wild. This is a sick event. Here's that Lambo, guys, with the 2JZ in it and the big old turbo. Look at this. If you guys haven't seen this in my other vlogs, he literally slapped the biggest turbo he could on the back of a Lambo. And it's a 2JZ. Look, guys, I got Markel's bike. I can still do it. I'm surprised I can do that still. I almost broke my arm. Well, the whole car meet's literally here. We just made our own car meet here now. There's so many people, bro. Everyone from the event. Josh is cold, bro. But yeah, we parked here. Me and Josh pretty much like shared a parking because this parking is so small. But all these car guys and then just cops walking in. They're looking for you.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.